Ever felt that little jolt of anxiety when your phone battery dips below 20%? Or that irresistible urge to check notifications, even when you know there's nothing new? Which one are you? The person who can effortlessly put their phone away, or the one who feels a constant, subtle pull? Today, we're diving deep into something far more profound than just habits: how your smartphone is literally rewiring your brain. What you're about to learn might change how you use your phone forever. This isn't just about screen time. It's about the hidden biological consequences of a device that's become an extension of ourselves. We'll explore how this pocket-sized supercomputer is altering the very structure and function of your most vital organ. Think about it. When was the last time you truly memorized a phone number or navigated a new city without GPS? We've outsourced so much of our cognitive load to our devices. This isn't inherently bad. But as one anecdote from a professor's grandchildren suggests, this constant outsourcing might be making our brains lazy. The question isn't if it's changing us, but how. Let's start with the undeniable scale. Over 6 billion smartphone subscriptions globally in 2022. That's nearly everyone on the planet. And the scientific community is now catching up to the profound impact this ubiquitous device is having. Studies using advanced neuroimaging techniques like magnetic resonance imaging, or MRI, are revealing concrete physical changes in the brains of heavy smartphone users. One of the most striking findings? Reduced gray matter volume. Gray matter is crucial for processing information, memory, and decision-making. Research indicates that individuals with problematic smartphone use show significantly lower gray matter volume in key regions, including the insula, the temporal cortex, and the lateral orbitofrontal cortex. These areas are vital for empathy, language, memory, and impulse control. It's not just a feeling, it's a measurable, physical alteration. Remember the Google effect? It's a phenomenon where our brains become less likely to remember information if we know we can easily look it up online. This isn't just about facts, it's about how we form memories. Our brains are becoming experts at remembering where to find information, rather than the information itself. This leads to a kind of digital amnesia, where our internal memory systems are less engaged. Quick, how many hearts does an octopus have? If you immediately thought of reaching for your phone, you're not alone. This constant reliance on external memory aids means our brains are getting less practice at internal recall, potentially weakening those neural pathways. Here's where it gets truly unsettling. It's not just active use that's impacting us. Studies show that the mere presence of your smartphone, even if it's turned off and face down, can significantly reduce your available cognitive capacity. This is often referred to as the phantom brain drain. Your brain is constantly expending energy to not check your phone, leaving less mental bandwidth for the task at hand. It's a subtle, invisible tax on your focus and productivity. This constant state of readiness, of anticipating notifications, also affects our white matter integrity. White matter acts like the brain's superhighway, connecting different regions. When its integrity is compromised, the speed and efficiency of communication between brain areas can decrease, leading to slower processing and reduced cognitive function. The long-term implications are even more concerning, especially for younger generations. The impact of excessive smartphone use on brain structure is significantly more pronounced in adolescents than in adults. This is because the adolescent brain is still developing, undergoing massive neuroplastic changes. This makes it particularly vulnerable to external influences. Research has also revealed a neurochemical imbalance in the brains of addicted teens. Magnetic resonance spectroscopy has shown altered levels of key neurotransmitters like GABA and glutamate-glutamine in the anterior cingulate cortex. This imbalance can affect emotional regulation, impulse control, and the ability to focus, potentially contributing to symptoms resembling ADHD. Furthermore, some studies suggest a link between high screen exposure in children and cortical thinning in areas related to executive control and attention. This isn't just about bad habits, it's about the very architecture of the developing brain. But let's not fall into despair. While our phones are powerful, they cannot replicate the sheer biological awe of the human brain. With its 100 trillion synapses, the human brain is the most complex structure in the known universe. It's capable of creativity, deep thought, and genuine connection in ways no algorithm can match. The very boredom we try to escape with our phones is often the fertile ground for innovation, as countless historical figures, from Archimedes to Einstein, have shown. The good news is, our brains are incredibly plastic. We can reclaim our focus and rewire our habits. Here are 3 actionable steps. First, screen fasts. Start with short periods, like an hour before bed or during meals, where your phone is completely out of reach. Gradually extend these periods. Even a 30-minute digital detox can make a difference. Second, add friction. Make it harder to access distracting apps. Delete social media from your home screen, turn off non-essential notifications, or even use grayscale mode to make your phone less appealing. The goal is to create conscious barriers. And third, cultivate boredom. Allow yourself to be bored. Instead of immediately reaching for your phone, let your mind wander. This is where creativity sparks and deeper thoughts emerge. Go for a walk, stare out the window, or simply sit in silence. Your smartphone is a tool, not a master. By understanding its profound impact on your brain, you gain the power to use it intentionally rather than being used by it. Reclaim your focus, nurture your creativity, and protect the incredible organ that makes you, you. If this video resonated with you, hit that like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more insights into optimizing your mind and life. Thank you for watching.